Hey there, Ivana here. And, online, there's so many different courses that you don't know which one to choose from. And there's so many on PPC traffic, Google Ads traffic, and all kinds of things. Bing ads, people start getting lost. And I totally get that. So I don't want you getting lost. I really want you to learn, in one place and go from there. So a friend of mine, Neil, he actually put up a PPC Steps course, which is a membership area actually, and it is all about PPC traffic, and it comes with a private group. So if you ever get stuck, with any of the marketing and how to set up your ads, he's there to help you along the way. So because of that, I would really love for you to take a look at how he's doing it, and I'm going to show you inside of the members area.
Okay, so here's the inside of the PPC Steps members area. Now, he has really gone all out to show you how to do this, and you can also join the private Facebook group, like I said before. And that's really important because he's not gonna leave you, just hanging. So if you get stuck and if you have questions, you can definitely ask him. Now, here's one more thing. When you go through all of these, you might be thinking, oh God, I need to spend a lot of money on tracking the conversions and all kinds of things. He actually shows you the free way to do all of this. So just to show you what's inside of the members area, and depending when you're watching this, you can get in for $3 for just 3 days. So you get access to it. If you decide to leave, you can, but I strongly recommend you actually get this information, you stay on as a member, because long term this is going to help you. So he goes into easy CPA. He shows you how to set up these. Then you have push ads, which I haven't even known this existed. So this is definitely new and something that you have to look at. So push ad networks, then Bing ads, how to set up campaigns. He goes into list building because that really is very, very important for anyone doing any type of business online. And then he goes into showing you more of golden nuggets, landers, and members videos as well. So you have all of this right here. You can always ask him if you need any help. Just love the value of this membership area. And like I said, if you're running any type of PPC traffic, this is definitely something you should pay close attention to and check out his course or his membership area, because this is so much more than a course. It's like, really over the shoulder teaching you of how to do all of these ads.
As you can see, Neil has really gone through and he is teaching you all kinds of techniques to run traffic to your landing pages and convert them into sales commissions. So having said that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you pick up a copy right below this video, as well as subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.